Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life,
It turns denial to acceptance
chaos to order.
and confusion to clarity.
I request His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Vincent Mapoulos, Bishop of Marthandam Diocese and Chairman of our college, to felicitate the Chief Guest of FRACE 2016, Dr. R. Radhakrishnan, Scientist, Rajiv Gandhi Center of Biotechnology, Trivandrum, with a momentum as a token of our love.
Next, I request His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Vincent Mapoulos to present a memento to Ms. Gayatri Tangachi, co-founder and director of Ega Biochemicals Private Limited, as a symbol of our appreciation. To discover the thing you are brilliant at, you first have to endure realizing all the things you are average at.
It's time to recognition the bright and shining stars of our college.
I request Professor Ashley V. Daniel, School of Computer Science and Engineering, to read out the toppers list.
Very good afternoon to Ananta. It's a wonderful time to encourage and appreciate the achievers of a college. Achievements is largely the product of steadily rising one's levels of aspirations and expectations. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our soul blossoms. It's a time to appreciate the charming flowers of a Moriframe garden. I invite our Chief Guest, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Scientist, AI, Rajiv Gandhi College Center for Biotechnology, to distribute the prizes for our twinkling stars. First, the class toppers list. A Department of Civil Engineering for the semester 2, the academic year for April-May 2015. And the second year A section, first prize to Benisha T. And second prize to Ashma Blasi R. For second year B section, first prize to Janisha JR. Second prize to Reshma SW. Third year A section, first prize to Bismay VK and Grishma P. Chanchal. Second prize is to Anju Susan Matthew and Devika Gopal. For third year B section, first prize to Nisha Shaji. Second prize to Steffi Saji. For final year, first prize to Alan J.S. and second prize to Anisha D. For the School of Computer Science and Engineering, for second year, first prize to Chinchu Marine Santosh, second prize to Siju Johnson. For third year, first prize to Meenu Rajan, second prize to Hida P. Doshi. For final year, first prize to Silpa Rajas. For the MA Computer Science and Engineering, second prize to Ashwini. Next, for the School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, second year, first prize to Kiran Jose, second prize to Sherin Thomas. For the third year, first prize to Joy R. Second prize to Adira Raju. For the final year, first prize to Kevin Matthew, and second prize to RM Anish. Thank you, sir, for distributing the prizes. Now I invite our special guest of honor, Ms. Gayatri Tangachi, co-founder, director, Eka Biomedicals Private Limited, to distribute the prizes. For the School of Electronics and Communication Engineering, second year, first prize to Hamlin Joy. Second prize to Shilpa Sham. For the third year, first prize to Anu Lakshmi. Second prize to Jovina Gilbert J. For the final year, first prize to Divya George. Second prize to Shushan Alex Taragan. For the MA Electronics and Communication Engineering, first prize to Ajin Aurye and second prize to Sophia SFL N. For the School of Mechanical Engineering, for the second year A section, first prize to Joby Ernest, second prize to Amal B. Alex, second year B section, First prize to Roshan P. Thomas. Second prize to Paul Stephen for third year A section. First prize to Anthony Ajit VC. Second prize to Alvin Saji for third year B section. First prize to Subarna KP. Second prize to Anil Raj. For final year A section, first prize to Abhichako. Second prize to James J. Final year B section, second prize to Pradesh I. Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite the dynamic person, very Reverend Father Prem Kumar, the correspondent of a college, to honor the award winners. Best outgoing student is the one who has the extraordinary performance in academic and cultural activities. The best outgoing student award goes to Ms. Jewel Susan Matthew of Final ACE. The next is the best ambassador. Best ambassador is the one who has the extraordinary performance in increasing the visibility of Maury Frame College of Engineering and Technology. The best ambassador award goes to Mr. Abhichako of Final Mechanical Engineering. Good Samaritan is the one who has taken extraordinary effort for others, especially those who are in need. The Good Samaritan Award goes to Mr. Ajishas Nair of Final Computer Science and Engineering. Thank you, Father. May the Almighty bless you with new freshness, new confidence, and new searches. Congratulations, students. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Teaching is the greatest act of optimism. Optimism is the fight that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. It's the time to appreciate the professors who have been the backbone of the student to achieve. Thank you all for the passion, knowledge, and expertise of taking on the challenge of teaching with grace, humor, and enthusiasm. I invite His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Vincent Mapaulos, the chairman of our college, to appreciate the professors. First, I invite the head of the School of Civil Engineering, Professor Anand Rajalin Dion, along with his colleagues, Professor P. John Thankam, Professor Abhishek GL, Professor Prabin O, Professor Charles Dyson, Professor Jaron O, Professor Sonia Vinipara Chamvi, and Professor Lin G. Professor Sonia Vinipara Chamvi got the Best Class in Charge Award for the second year. Now I invite the head of the School of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Professor V. Suresh, along with his colleagues, Professor Babin T. Price, Professor G. Brenda, Professor T. S. Akila, Professor S. N. Kumar, Professor Aravind, and Professor Pavida. The Best Class in Charge Award for third year goes to Professor K. T. S. Ahila. Next, I invite the head of the School of Mechanical Engineering, Professor D. Raju, followed by his colleagues, Professor Joseph Bensiger C.K., Professor N. Godwin Pitalis, Professor S. Vijayakumar, Professor Baski Selvan S.L., Professor I. Jackson Tengaroy, Professor Arun, Professor Leo Bright Singh, Professor Melbagani, Professor Franklin, Professor Manoj, Professor Danny, Professor Ancho Pauline Marincho, Professor Jijinture, Professor John Irderaj. Next, I invite the head of the School of Science and Humanities, Professor M. Jabapriya, along with his colleagues, Professor S. Seema, Professor F. Giplin, Professor John C. Sugida, Professor L.R. Bindu, Professor T. Simai, Professor Y. Anujamala, Professor John Vindula, Professor Vinod, Professor Binu Salim, Professor Roslyn Sugia, Professor Bedami. And the Best Class in Charge Award for first year goes to Professor John C. Sugida. Next, I invite the head of the School of Computer Science and Engineering, Professor Dr. L.C. Manikandan, along with his colleagues, Professor S.T.B. Vangeline, Professor Renu D.S., Professor Ashwin G, Professor D. Dania, Professor Janila J, Professor Babu, Professor Benisha Janis, Professor Jijila Rose JS, Professor S. Shobana, Professor L.T. Herlin, Professor N.S. Lenitra, and Professor Ashivi Daniel. Thank you, His Grace. Golden time of our life may not return back forever, but the good relation and the golden memories will stay in the heart forever. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Merlin, do you feel some turbulence around you?
Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, art and joy.
I request all the delegates to step down from the stage and enjoy the entertainment section.
The true work of art is but a shadow of the divine perfection.
Here comes Abel and Vince to claim your mind with a musical performance.
Guys, please clap your hands and welcome the young and gifted performers as they unleash their talent.
പുളകങ്ങൾ എഴുന്നേതൊരു കുഴലൂതിയ പോലെ കുളിരേകും കനവിൽ നീ കതിരാടിയ കാലം മനതാരിൽ മധുമാസം തളിരാടിയ നേരം അകമുരുകും മയിലിണകൾ തൊയിലുണരും കാലം എന്നകതാരിൽ അനുരാഗം പകരുന്ന യാമം അഴകേ അഴകേ തീർത്തൊരു ശിലയഴകേ മലരേ എന്നുയിരിൽ വിടരും പനിമലരേ മലരേ നിന്നെ കാണാതിരുന്ന മിഴിയേകിയ നിറമെല്ലാം മായുന്ന പോലെ അലിവോടൻ അരികത്തെന്നണയാതിരുന്ന അഴലേകിയ കനവെല്ലാം അകലുന്ന പോലെ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ആത്മാവിനാഴത്തിനുള്ളിൽ അതിലോലമാരോരുമറിയാതെ സൂക്ഷിച്ച താളങ്ങൾ രാഗങ്ങളീണങ്ങളാലി ഓരോരോ വർണ്ണങ്ങളാ വിടരുന്ന എൻ്റെ ഇടനെഞ്ചിനുള്ളിൽ പ്രണയത്തിൻ മഴയായി നീ പൊഴിയുന്ന നാളിൽ തളരുന്ന എൻ്റെ തനുതോറും നിന്റെ അലതെല്ലും പ്രണയത്താലുണരും മലരേ അഴകേ നല്ല തീരത്തോ ഓടിക്കളിച്ചില്ലേ നമ്മൾ ഒന്നിച്ചുറങ്ങിലേ ഒന്നിച്ചുണർന്നില്ലേ ഒന്നറിഞ്ഞില്ലേ നമ്മൾ എന്നാലും ഈ നമ്മൾ പിരിയണമെന്നാലോ കയ്യൊപ്പു നൽകാതെ വിട ചൊല്ല കളിച്ചില്ലേ നമ്മൾ. മുളച്ചു മോന് ഇലയ വിടല തരുവ ഒലക അഴകി മെടല വിരലു വെണ്ടയ്ക്കാവും കാതു അവരയ്ക്ക മൂക്കു മുളക മുക്കുത്തി കളഹ കനിന്ത കായ്ത്തോട്ടം നീതാനാ. മുളച്ചു മോന് ഇലയ വിടല തരുവ ഒലക അഴകി നടല വിരലു വെണ്ടയ്ക്കാവും കാതു അവരയ്ക്ക മൂക്കു മുളക മുക്കുത്തി കളഹ കനിന്ത കായ്ത്തോട്ടം നീതാനാ.
A hole inside my heart. I'm all alone, the rooms are getting smaller. I wonder how, I wonder where, I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang together. Oh yeah, and oh my love, looking out forever, reaching on the love that seems so far. So I say a little prayer, oh my dreams will take me there, where the sky's blue, to see you once again, my love. Overseas to go, to find a place I love the most, where the fields are green, to see you once again, my love. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
दिल में समा जा,
दिल में समा जा,
शाम की चादू करीब आ जा. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
दिल में समा जा,
दिल में समा जा,
शाम की चादू करीब आ दुला. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
दिल में समा जा,
दिल में समा जा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
दिल में समा जा,
दिल में समा जा,
मेरा सुखी तेरी,
देखे सुखी तेरे,
मेरे समाई,
दिल में सवारी,
मेरा सुखी तेरी,
देखे सुखी मेरे,
मेरे समाई,
दिल में सवारी,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
दिल में समा जा,
दिल में समा जा,
शाम की चादू करीब आ दुआ. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा,
दिल में समा जा,
दिल में समा जा,
शाम के शदू करीब आ दुआ.